Hey guys, so we're gonna make a little pinch pot today. So when you're done, it'll look something like this, or this, or this, just depending on how big you make it, how thin you make the walls, and how you decorate it. So this clay is what's called air dry clay, which means I'm not going to have to cook it in a kiln. And so it is going to be fragile, and it's not going to be something you can keep water in. But it will show you kind of the way we make things out of clay. So you're going to take your ball of clay and you're going to roll it into a nicer ball. It might not be a perfect ball. Okay, so once you have a ball, you're going to stick your thumb into the clay, but not all the way through. You want it to go in, enough to where it's stuck on your thumb, but not all the way through. So then you're going to do a pinching action, which is why it's called a pinch pot. And you're going to gently pinch the edges all the way around. Now if we work with this stuff too much, it will start to get dry and crack. So if I let you have a little water, it's not to put clay in or to pour on, it's to just get one drip and kind of smooth out. But if we work quickly and we do what we're supposed to, it shouldn't be too bad. So you can see I'm just pinching around in a circle until I've made a really simple little pot. So now it's down to kind of finishing. You can use the table and you can kind of roll, and that's going to help make a smooth appearance. You can kind of tap it. Don't do it hard or it'll stick to the table. You want the bottom to be flat. So these are some things you can do to kind of smooth out your appearance. And you can kind of rub your finger over any cracks. Kind of smooth them together. You don't want it to get too thin because you might break a hole in it, but you also don't want it to be too thick in any one place. So you're kind of trying to make it even all over. And there is our little pinch pot. So now, very carefully, you can decorate it. Got tools, and you can go put patterns and decorations on or inside your little pot. But you have to be very careful because it's wet, so any movement, any squishing can change the shape that you worked hard on making. So just be gentle when you're making your patterns. Don't shove it or poke it as hard as you can. And you can see I'm putting my hand behind, so it's kind of keeping it. And look, it kind of made a pattern on the inside too. So we're going to write our names on a little strip of paper so that when you're completely done, you're making your pattern however you like it, decorating it, then you'll just set it on your little paper Try not to set it on your name so it doesn't get destroyed. And that's how I'll know it's yours when I let them dry. Okay, here's my little pinch pot.